Hey book lovers, welcome back to our channel. If you're always on the hunt for free books to read or listen to, you're in luck. Today we're diving into the top 5 websites where you can enjoy unlimited books for free. Let's get started. 1. Herdly. First on our list is Herdly. This platform uses AI to create concise audio and video summaries of bestsellers, compressing the key points into 10% of their original length. It's perfect for those who want to save time and get the gist of a book quickly. 2. BookBub. Join millions of happy readers on BookBub. Discover new free and discounted titles daily through their website and daily deals email. It's a fantastic way to find your next favorite book without breaking the bank. 3. FreeBooksHub.com. Looking for free Kindle eBooks? FreeBooksHub.com offers a wide range of fiction, non-fiction, and children's genres. The downloads are free and available in various formats, with detailed author information included. 4. PDF Drive. If you love PDFs, PDF Drive is the place to be. This website boasts a vast collection of free PDF ebooks, including fiction, non-fiction, and academic texts. It's easy to search and offers various formats to suit your needs. 5. FreeEbooks.net. Last but not least, we have FreeEbooks.net. This site offers a diverse collection of free ebooks in genres like fiction, non-fiction, and children's books. It's easy to browse, offers various formats, and provides comprehensive author information. That wraps up our top 5 websites for free books. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more book recommendations and reviews. Happy reading, everyone!